In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change artist name in Distrokid. Whether you're refining your branding or launching a new project, knowing exactly where to adjust your artist name in Distrokid will save you time and keep your releases organized across streaming platforms. Start by heading to Distrokid and signing in to your dashboard. You'll land on your My Music area where your releases and account options live. From here, the place you'll make the changes inside the upload flow. Even if you're not ready to publish a new track, that form is where DistroKid asks for your artist or band name and lets you adjust it. Click on Upload Music. This opens the release form used for singles and albums. Don't worry, you don't have to finish an upload just to view or update the artist name field. We're using this page because it's the official spot where DistroKid lets you specify the primary artist that stores will see. Now scroll down until you find the artist/band name section. This is an important area because the exact spelling, capitalization, and punctuation you use here are what streaming services will follow. If you want your music to connect to an existing artist profile on platforms like Spotify or Apple Music, make sure the name matches exactly as it appears on previous releases. If you're debuting a new name, be consistent going forward so your future tracks group correctly under that identity. Next, click on Change next to the artist band name field. You'll see options that let you select from artist names you previously used on your account, or proceed with a different name if that's your goal. If your current DistroKid plan only supports a single artist and you're trying to use a different name than the one already tied to your plan, DistroKid will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue with that new name. This safeguard helps prevent mix-ups and ensures your catalog is built and organized under the right profile. Before you finalize any updates, take a moment to check for special characters, spacing, and stylization. Minor differences can create separate artist pages and stores. Keeping things consistent avoids delays and makes it easier for fans to find you. Also remember that the artist name you choose here applies to this upload's primary artist. Using different names across releases can result in separate profiles, which is fine if that's your intent. That's it. Open DistroKid, go into Upload Music, scroll to the artist/band name section, and click Change to set the name you want. Keep it consistent and upgrade your plan if you need support for more than one artist.